All right, 10F. That's kind of a beefy one. That's a spicy meatball, this one. Look at that. That's a lot of factoring there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to factor the whole numerator, put everything together. So numerator, numerator here. So this one here is going to end up being x. Now watch the pattern here. It's x squared, x, no x. But over here, y squared, y, no y. So this is going to be x, y, x, y. I just got to figure out what the numbers are in between there. So two factors of negative 50 that add to positive 2 will be positive 5, negative 3. Okay? Notice that the denominator is basically doing the same sort of thing here, except that I've got a 3, right? Actually, sorry, I should probably do it like this first. I should be a little bit lazy here and not try to fight with that. There is a common factor of 3 to all those terms, so I'll take that out first here. That'll get me x squared minus 11xy plus. Now 84 isn't an obvious factor of 3 here, but if you just go through and do it here, 8 divided by 3 is going to give you 2 with a remainder of 2 and 24. So this is going to be 28 y squared. The numerator up here, again, I'm just running them together. This is going to have an x in it and a y back here, an x and a y. I'm giving myself a little bit of space here. So I'm looking at factors of 12 that are going to add to get that positive here. So this is going to become 4. This will be a plus y. This will be 3. This will be negative 1. And just watch what happens when you multiply those out here. You're going to get positive 4xy minus 3xy, and that's where that positive xy comes from there. In the denominator, just like the previously, there is a common factor. There's a common factor of 2 here. And that's going to leave me with x squared plus 8xy plus 15y squared. Okay, so like I factored the numerators together, I factored the denominators together, kind of shoved them all together. Now what I got to do though is I got to factor that denominator one more time. So the numerator is already good. I'll just leave it all like that. Won't do anything to it. The denominator, however, has got to change here. So this is 3, and then this will be x here. So factors of 28 that will sum to get negative 11. Well, that's got to be negative 7, negative 4. There's a 2 in the center there. And then factors of 15 that sum to get 8. Well, that's got to be 5y and then x plus 3y. Okay, there we go. Whole bunch going on there. Now, we're going to eliminate, or we're going to do the division here. So x plus 5y divided by x plus 5y is 1, so long as we do not allow x to equal negative 5y. X minus 3y? Nope. That one's close, but not exactly correct here. 4x minus y? Nope. 3x plus y? Nope. So that's it. That's the only little bit of factoring that's going to happen here. So that leaves us with x minus 3y times 4x minus y times 3x, whoops, I'm sorry, I was going to say plus y, but I didn't want to write the plus there, plus y all over, well, 3 times 2 gives me 6, and then I'm just going to string together the factors. X minus 7, x minus 4, x plus 3y. Now, this is equal to this because I've stated that x cannot equal negative 5y. So, but I need to state the other non-permissible, so I just go through this in order. The 6 is not causing me a problem. 6 is okay. But I can't let x be 7, I can't let x be 4, and I can't let it be negative 3y. And those are all my restrictions.